Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia X10. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. At the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and now you can add Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Let's start with Transport Pass. Select your preferred Transport Pass. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, you can select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and select Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.